Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel and a few little things about Microsoft Edge. Some of you are using Microsoft Edge and have found that suddenly their main page, has switched from the Bing page to pretty much what is a Copilot page. And yes, this is the way that Microsoft is slowly changing things around in Microsoft Edge. Eventually, that Bing page will be totally gone, and it will be the main page that you have will be the Copilot page. The good thing about it is that you can, go into the settings and change the page that you have. So in the settings, you'll be able to say, well, I want to start Edge with something else. So you can tell it which page, if you want, will load in Microsoft Edge. So this is, start home and new tab page, and the settings will be that. So you can open a new tab page here, but you can, change this to something else if you want. So on startup, you can use open a customized site or a custom site, which is the one you want. So for example, I can say, okay, this is the Google search page, or it could be my La Presse, which is a newspaper page here, things like that. So when that is activated, what happens is that Edge will start with the page you have decided to put there. Whatever it is, from DuckDuckGo to your favorite newspaper and so on. So you can avoid that. And last but not least, the last update made the Copilot chat icon easier to remove. If you don't want to see it, don't want to use it, you can just right-click on it and say Hide Copilot. And it will actually bring you to the setting where you can actually hide it. And there it's gone from the taskbar. So this is an easier way to remove something that you don't want. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.